Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to cancel an order on eBay. Whether you have changed your mind, made a mistake, or the order isn't right, we have got you covered. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are on the home page, click on My eBay located at the bottom left of the screen. Tap on it. Now select Purchases on the menu. Tap on Purchases, and this is where you will see all the recent orders. I haven't ordered anything yet, so my purchase section is empty. However, I'll guide you through the process about how to cancel an order on eBay app. Now find the order you want to cancel and click on the More action next to it. A menu will pop up with different options. Click on Cancel this order. If this option isn't available, it might mean the seller has already shipped the item or cancellation isn't possible at this stage, and if it is available, you will be taken to the cancellation request form. Select the reason for cancelling from the drop down menu. Be honest, as it helps both you and the seller. Once you have chosen your reasons, click on Submit Request. eBay will notify the seller about your cancellation request, and you will get a confirmation email once it's processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If the seller approves your request, your order will be cancelled and you will receive a refund if you have already paid it. And that's it. Cancelling an order on eBay is that simple. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.